Hello everyone, in front of me is Nokia C01 Plus, and let me show you how to change keyboard language. First of all, open new message. Here, you've got your current keyboard. As you can see, we've got two keyboards here, so smoothly by tapping on word icon, it can be switched. But when you want to add a new one, once you want to personalize it again, just click on settings icon, select languages, tap on edit, and at first let's remove unnecessary languages, and then tap on add keyboard. Select the language that you want to apply, let me choose for example this one, tap on done, and remove unnecessary language, or if you want to have both, smoothly leave it active, and as you can see, here you've got your keyboard language, your new keyboard language. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.